boys and girls. We're going to do our morning message now. First, Miss Lynch will say it, then you say it. Xavier, the fox, makes a box. Your turn. Xavier, the fox, makes a box. Now we're going to clap it. Remember, one clap for each word in the sentence. Xavier, the fox, makes a box. Now we're going to tap it on our legs. Ready? Xavier, the fox, makes a box. Good job. Now Miss Lynch is going to write it on the board and you write it in the air. Xavier, the fox, makes a box. What do we need at the very end of our sentence so we know we're all finished with it? Do we need a period? Did you say period? Good job. We need a period at the end of our sentence so we know we're all finished with it and we don't need to add any more words. Now let's track the sentence. You put your hand up and Miss Lynch is going to follow with you. Ready? Xavier, the fox, makes a box. Good job. Now, Miss Lynch is going to show you a few letters and you're going to tell me if you know them. Let's see. Ready? 1, 2, 3. What letter is that? Tell your family member. Is it an S? Is it a Z? What letter is that? Did you say X? Good, it's an uppercase X. Now let's see one more. Ready? 1, 2, 3. What letter is that? Wow, it looks a lot like this letter. What letter was that again? X, good. It's a lowercase x. So we have our uppercase X and our lowercase x. Good job. All right, so first we're going to look and see if we can find our uppercase X in our sentence. Remember, it's the biggest X in the sentence. So we'll look, and when you find it, tell your family member. Is there an uppercase X in the word makes? I see an M, A, K, E, and S, but I don't see an uppercase X. Let's keep looking. What about in the word the? Do you see a letter that looks the same in this word? I see a T, H, and E. Let's keep looking. What about in Xavier? Do you see an uppercase X in Xavier? You do? Wow. Do you see it at the end of the sentence or in the beginning of the sentence? At the end? Do they look the same? Or at the beginning? Did you say beginning? You were right. They look the same. There's an uppercase X in Xavier. Miss Lynch will underline it. Good finding that. Now we're going to look for our lowercase x. We have a couple in this sentence. Let's see if we can find them. We'll start here. We know that this is our uppercase X because it's bigger. But it does look the same. They both have two straight lines. The only difference is that the uppercase X is bigger. Do you see the difference? Uppercase X, lowercase x. All right, let's see if we can find those lowercase x's. Do you see any in the word the? I see a T, an H, and an E. What about in fox? Oh, I heard that sound, fox. Is this an uppercase or a lowercase x? That's an F. What about this letter in the middle? Does it look the same? Nope, it's an O. But the last letter, does it have two straight lines that go across each other? Yeah, it does. It is a lowercase x. There's an X in fox at the very end of it. Let's keep looking. What about makes? Do you see a letter that looks the same? Let's look. Do you see one here? Nope. That's an M. What about this letter? It's got a circle and a line. So it doesn't have two straight lines. That's an A. Let's look at the last letter. It's an S. So it's got all circle lines, all curved lines. No straight lines. So this is not an X. It's an S. This letter is A. Good, not an X. Let's look at the last word, box. Do you see a lowercase x in box? Is it in the beginning or the end? Remember, our X has two straight lines that go across each other. Do you see it? Is it in the beginning or the end? Good, the end. There's our lowercase x. So we have 1, 2 lowercase x's and 1 uppercase x. Thank you, boys and girls. Bye.